I'm going to show you how you can easily add Google Authenticator to 1xBet. First, open the 1xBet application on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Now tap on the menu icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the settings icon, which you will find at the top right corner. Here, scroll down a bit and tap on Security Settings to access the options related to your account security. Then, find and tap on Two-Factor Authentication. This is where you will set up Google Authenticator for added protection. Now tap on Open Google Authenticator. If you don't have the app installed, you will need to download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once Google Authenticator is open, you will see a code. Enter this code back into the 1xBet app. Then tap on Confirm to complete the setup. Finally, for safety purposes, take a screenshot of the code or save it somewhere secure. This will help you recover your account if needed.